Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now today I want to answer a question that we get a lot, and it's in regards to pools that have built-in spas or even pools that have separate spas adjacent to them. So today on Pool Talk with Trish, we're going to answer the question, can you heat your pool with the same heater from your spa? So let's dive in. Okay, so a question we get a lot by people who are looking to have a pool and a spa combo is, can they heat the pool with the same heater that's used to heat the spa? And the simple answer is yes, and it's actually not difficult at all. So whether or not you have a pool that's a one-piece shell with the spa built in, or if you like to do a separate pool and spa, you can actually use the same heater to heat both the pool and the spa. And this can be done with pool heaters that are electric and gas. Now obviously the size of the heater you would use for the spa is typically less than what you would want to use to heat an entire pool. So you do need to make sure that you're selecting a heater that's large enough to heat the pool. So this typically is a little bit of an upgrade from what you're usually getting with the spa. Now in most cases, the way the equipment is set up, you do have to select whether or not you want the heater to be functioning towards heating the spa or heating the pool. And a lot of people will keep their spa warm all the time. So all you have to do is switch it over to the pool, and then the heater will actively start heating the pool. And now of course, depending on what type of heater you go with, the time to heat your pool will be different. And of course, the cost to heat it will be as well. But it can definitely and easily be done. If you have any questions at all, just reach out. You can always call or text 210-834-7054. I'm always here to answer any and all of your pool questions. I look forward to talking to you soon, and I can't wait to help you get swimming. Oh, and of course, while you're here, if you found this information valuable, like it, share it out with anyone you feel may benefit from it. And if you're on my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and you hit that little bell icon so that you get notified of any new future content. I'll see you guys soon. Oh, and as always, don't forget, check down in the description where you can find some links to some incredible products for your pool and for enjoying everything around your pool. I'll see you guys soon.